This is what's left of a Skill jigsaw. $42.95. Problem is, quit working. Hadn't used it for a while. I'm gonna take it apart and then fix it. Check all this out. All this was inside of this jigsaw. Probably picked up when I was working on a project. But the switch wasn't working. Why was the switch not working? Let's go a little bit deeper. Right there. That is ants. They have come in here and shorted out the switch on my jigsaw. So now I have got to either buy a new one or buy a new switch because of these little bastards. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.